Hi everyone, I am Prasanna. I completed Master of Computer Application in M. Kumar Swamy College of Engineering, Karur, located in Tamil Nadu. I got to know about Evision Technoserve from one of my friend. It was a IT recruiting and consultancy company. In Evision, I had joined online full-time job internship. The intent program consists of Windows Server Administrations, CCNA, routing and switching, virtualization, cyber security, and ITIL. The Windows Server Administrations. I learn about the word group, the domain joining, DSCP configurations, Active Directories, how to install an OS on domain network, Outlook configurations, and troubleshootings. Regarding CCNA, I learned network fundamental, protocols, routing, switching technologies, the infrastructures and services, the cyber security. I learned various hacking techniques by using the kernel Linux, and I had soon experience in hacking and cracking of the passwords in ITL concepts, learning of an instant program management, argument, TAT, etc. I think every practical is equal to the IT company's experience because we practice a lot. Our training makes sure that we learn each and every topics by theoretically and practically. The trainee way of teaching was very good. The regular continuing the mock interviews, which really helps me for the facing interviews. It was a great learning experience with Evision. Thank you.